I remember your face. Love was a fighter, now it's gone without a trace. Your shadow lingers in the rhythm of time. I keep on singing, but you're no longer mine. Shadows of your smile fading in the rain, dancing with memories tangled in pain. But the music heals me, carries me through. Every beat reminds me that I once loved you. Moments we shared, they echo in my soul. Trying to move on, but I can't let go. The melody whispers your name on the breeze, a bittersweet song that brings me to my knees. Shadows of your smile fading in the rain, dancing with memories tangled in pain. But the music heals me, carries me through. Every beat reminds me that I once loved you. Moments we shared, they echo in my soul. Trying to move on, but I can't let go. The melody whispers your name on the breeze, a bittersweet song that brings me to my knees. Time will keep moving, and I'll find my way, but your ghost still haunts me every night and day. Shadows of your smile fading in the rain, dancing with memory, tangled in pain. But the music heals me,